Hello students, today we discuss about civics first lesson question answer, the Union Parliament. Previous I uploaded explanation video. If you have not seen, see it first. After that, this one you can understand easily. The Union Parliament. First question is name the two types of authority in a federal setup in India. One is central government and another one is state government. Next question. Name the law-making body of the union government. Law-making body is Union Parliament. Name the main constituent of the Indian Parliament. Constituent Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha and President. Name the two houses of the Indian Parliament. दो हाउस क्या क्या है? लोकसभा और राज्यसभा. What is the maximum strength of members of the Lok Sabha? 552 members maximum. Who is empowered to summon and to dissolve the Lok Sabha? The answer will be the president. How many members can the president nominate to the Lok Sabha? 2 members. Then how are the members of the Lok Sabha elected? Directly elected by the adult franchise through secret ballot system. What is the quorum to hold the meeting of the Lok Sabha? Quorum क्या है? 1/10 member of the house. 1/10 member of the house required to hold meeting of the house, approximately 56 members. Then how are the speaker and the deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha elected? कैसे वो लोग elect होते हैं? When the first session of the new elected members is held, at that time they choose the candidate through voting. Next, who presides over the meeting of the Lok Sabha? The speaker. Mention the occasion on which President addressed a joint session of Parliament. First session conducted after the general election of the Lok Sabha and at the opening of the first gathering of every year. Who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament? Speaker, the speaker. Who presides over Rajya Sabha? The Vice President of India. Who elects the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Members of the Rajya Sabha. Who presides over the meeting of the Rajya Sabha in the absence of Vice President of India? The answer will be the deputy chairman. Mention any one matter where the Rajya Sabha enjoys equal power with the Lok Sabha. Answer, to pass ordinary bill. State one aspect in which the Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. Money bill is originated in the Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister and Council of Ministers are also selected from Lok Sabha. What do we mean when we say that Rajya Sabha is a permanent body? Because it cannot be dissolved by the president. What is the term of office of a Rajya Sabha member? Term कितना होता है? 6 years. Name the body which elects the Rajya Sabha member. State Legislative Assembly. What is the maximum gap allowed between two parliamentary sessions 6 months. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The Vice President of India. What is an adjournment motion? An adjournment motion means a proposal to lay aside all other business and take up a definite matter of urgent importance. Name the list which distribute the subject of legislation between the Union and the states. Concurrent list. Mention any one of the circumstances under which the seat of members of the parliament becomes vacant, death and resignation. Mention any one provision of the constitution which clearly establishes the supremacy of the Lok Sabha with regard to money bills. The Rajya Sabha cannot originate money bill. Only Lok Sabha. This house cannot hold more than 14 days. Which bodies have the right to legislate on subject in the concurrent list? What happens in the case of conflict between such laws? The Parliament and the state legislative assemblies. In case of conflict between such laws, the union laws prevails. Who decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Mention any one circumstances when the Parliament can make laws on a state subject. In case emergency is declared in a state.